Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm back with Asteria hair, which I absolutely love. They always have the best curly wigs, and we're doing another curly wig review. This is their HD lace curly 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it's in 30 inches and 300% density, and it's definitely one of the thickest wigs I've ever tried on and reviewed. It was definitely a lot, but I really actually ended up liking it in the end, so this is what it looks like. Now going in with some ebon spray just to do a quick bald cap method using the HD wig caps that they provided. The really nice thing about this wig is that it came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and I really didn't have to do anything, and it looks so natural. No plucking is needed, so if you're a beginner, this is the right wig for you. So now I'm just pretty much outlining where I'm going to glue, and I'm going to go in with some alcohol to wipe off the area, then go in with bolt holds and do about 3 layers and just wait for each layer to clear up before you apply the next one. Now going in with an eyebrow razor, I'm just going to make sure that all of the lace is cut off while having imperfect edges instead of straight lines made by scissors. Now using a hot comb, I'm just going to make sure that the sides are flat. I just don't want it too big and poofy because the hair is already going to curl up. So going in with a wax stick and a hot comb, I'm just making sure that both sides are flat. Now since I want a no baby hair look, I'm just going to sleek the edges using my favorite mousse. This is the Lotta Body mousse, and then I'm going to go in with the Fantasia spritz. And then I'm going to use the melting band one more time and wrap it for another 10 minutes just to make sure everything is nice and dry. And this is what we're working with after 10 minutes. The melt was so good. The lace is really nice and thin, so it's pretty much undetectable. I'm now going to go in and just do some touch-ups and also fix the middle part, and also use my dye pen to fix the middle part and make it nice and clean. Lastly, going to quickly style the hair using some water and mousse. And here is the finished product. I'm absolutely obsessed, and the hair is so nice. Even though it's a lot, it feels so natural and just kind of thins out a little bit with the water, so it's at perfect density. It's so nice and thick, but really nice. I kept getting so many compliments. I'll put all the information and the link to this specific wig in the description down below, and make sure you guys check it out. See you in my next video.